On today's first look, we have a 1956 Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing. These are magnificent cars. This 300SL Coupe is one of 311 hand-built 300SL Gullwings produced at the Mercedes-Benz factory in Stuttgart, Germany. This example has been extensively detailed and sorted, and it retains its original fuel-injected 3-liter inline-6 matching numbers engine. It has had a complete engine rebuild to factory specifications. The front brakes, the rear brakes, as well as the rear and front suspension were all completely rebuilt. The belly pans are from Mercedes-Benz Classic, and Mercedes-Benz Classic windshield was also installed. It features a factory color combination of the graphite gray and the light gray leather interior. The interior features leather upholstery on the seats, the dash, the side panels, the door upholstery, and the visors. It also features a factory option Nardi steering wheel. This 300SL was originally special ordered new by Max Hoffman, Mercedes-Benz Distributors, Inc. in New York City in the spring of 1956, and it has had a small series of U.S. owners. You get the complete list if you look at our website at the whole history of this car. The sale includes 3 boxes of documentation. It is coming to us from the Robert O'Connor collection, selling at no reserve at our 2025 Scottsdale auction, January 18th through the 26th. Pick up this beautiful Gullwing at WestWorld in Scottsdale.